What's going on, everybody? This is Deshaun back again with another DLJ Works video, not a tutorial video, another vlog video. And in this video, let's just jump right into it. I'm going to explain to you exactly why you should not be getting paid from clients and the system I've been using that's been working for me for, I want to say, the past 2 years, since 2016. So without further ado, let's jump into it. All right, so what have I been doing instead of getting paid from clients? And I've actually talked about this on my other YouTube channel, but how much befitting is it to bring it right here to my specific web development internet tutorials channel, DLJ Works? Well, the one thing that I actually do instead of accepting immediate payment from my clients, cash money, is I actually try to think long term. I think long term, and what does that mean? I negotiate different terms, different forms of types of payments that doesn't necessarily involve money, and this is no black market stuff, nothing under the table, but I accept different things, things that actually guarantee me dividends and returns in the long run over the course of a year, maybe even longer than that. So what does that even mean right now? So one of the things that I actually do that I require from my clients is I got to get a testimonial from them. That's number one. I have to get a testimonial from them, okay? Getting their testimonial will just only actually strengthen my own brand, and hearing somebody else brag about your stuff is a lot better than you just hearing me talk about how great my web design, development, internet, whatever you want to call DLJ Works right now, my technology brand. That's what I like to call it, hearing me brag about it. Number two, the second thing that I actually get from my clients is advertisements. Advertisements. Using their websites, whatever website that I'm creating, I pretty much bargain for web space on their website. Once I actually create the website for them, I go ahead and I bargain for web space in order to advertise not only just my brand, but whatever ad network that I'm a part of, I go ahead and I use their space to be able to advertise on their website as well. And some clients may not be comfortable with that, and that's okay. Then in terms, if they refuse that, then we go ahead and we talk about a form of payment. But advertisements, why is advertisement so key? Because I call this leveraging somebody else's traffic. You know, me being a web designer developer, I really don't get why. I'm pretty sure somebody out there has thought about this already, but I haven't seen any videos where anybody has actually talked about this. But I feel like if you're a web designer, developer, you hold the keys to the internet in your hands. You're basically the creator of a lot of things online, and I don't know why a lot more web developers, designers don't take this sort of mentality. You have so much more control, and you just have so much more power. So if you're literally the creator on the internet, I actually don't even see why you don't even go ahead and take initiative to really try to grasp that opportunity that you have when you do these things for web clients. So negotiating web space and using, maybe posting Adsense, and if you actually sign up and say that you actually are a part owner of that website, Adsense will let you go ahead and post that. I think I have Adsense over 2 to 3 websites right now that brings me an extra additional income over. And there's other things I also advertise with my affiliate banners. I forgot to add this little piece. When you're actually leveraging another person's website, their web space, so you have your own ads going on their website, you want to always do it to where it's not going to interfere with the actual customer, the user experience with that person navigating the website. This is basic web stuff 101, but I just thought it should be mentioned. I'm not trying to have somebody just gorge another person's website with like all sorts of like advertisements and promotions. So I just want to go ahead and insert that in there because I forgot to actually mention that. My own brand for web services, and really, I really try not to do web services too much. I really only take on so many projects, not even that many, and I actually do get requested for a lot of work, but I'm really more into doing products right now at this point in time and trying to figure out how to actually provide information that's going to help somebody. So like literally what I'm doing right now in this YouTube video. Number 4, the fourth thing I actually like to get from my clients when I do a website for them is a definite referral. Okay, if you work out in a contract that the client that you're working for, they have to at least bring you 1 to 2 referrals. So you make sure that you're guaranteed more work consistently. That's a definite must. That's a definite must, okay? If I'm doing a website for somebody, then I would like to get a referral so I can make sure I have my next project. But like I said, I don't really accept that many projects. But when I need work and I need to go ahead and build consistently, then I just go ahead and I require a referral from my client. So those are the 4 key things. I guess I could have evened it out, odded out, I guess, to 5, a multiple of 5, but really just those 4 strong things. So what you want to do, number 1, you want to go ahead and you want to get a testimonial. 2 and 3, you want to negotiate for space, leverage their traffic. That's 2 and 3. Number 4, you want to definitely make sure that you get that referral from your customer, okay, from your client. Those are 4 key strong things that you can actually negotiate that will make sure that you get work. Not only do you get work, but you're leveraging that traffic, and you can also sell products and services on their websites that'll also make things really good for you. So, all right, well, that is it for this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, dislike if there was something you disagree with me on, or if you have any questions, which I know this is a video, the information I just presented to you will present a lot of questions maybe, but whatever the case may be, whatever comes to your mind, let's discuss it down there in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget, after the video, go down to the description. Don't forget to click that show more button and check out my top 3 resources for hosting, email marketing, and for building a WordPress website from scratch, or to customize an existing theme any way that you want to. Once again, thanks for watching. DLJWorks.com.